Good morning. So we're going to walk through this Sea Ray 310 SLX. This is a 2021 model. Beautiful black hull. As you can see here, you have real teak finishings all the way through the cockpit instrument platform, as well as the cockpit table inlay. This particular boat is equipped with twin 400 Verados. As you can see across the back, you have a nice sun lounge area with large storage underneath. When you remove stern drives, it opens up a lot of area for you to store a ton of gear. Really gives you a nice ability to be able to load up the boat with all your gear, leave it loaded up, and have everybody out on the water. Back here in the corner, you see the Fusion remote for your stereo system. Lighted cup holders. Here as we walk through, you have a cooler, built-in cooler on the floor. Nice to be able to put drinks ice down so you don't have to get all the way back into the boat. Storage here at the corner. You'll notice as we walk in, you've got a nice step down if you're at low tide and you want the ability to be able to step right in. This kind of gives you a middle step. Kind of a nice feature when boarding from the dock. Got the cockpit refrigerator here. The area underneath here is actually storage. Great place to be able to throw some ice down some drinks, some food, while you're entertaining on the boat. Here on the starboard side, jump seat. And as you can see, nice L-shaped seating wrapping around this beautiful cockpit table. This boat is equipped with the upgraded sound system with subwoofer and backlit speakers. The port side helm seat articulates around, so when you aren't underway, you have the ability to integrate that seat right into the entertainment area. Beautiful helm station, flip-up bolster, joystick docking with skyhook, digital shift and throttle, dual SIM rack glass display with digital switching, GPS, Fusion glass flush-mounted stereo system with Bluetooth. This boat does have the manual trim tabs. Gives you a little better load control. The glove box there on the top of the port side helm. Nice size head with built-in stainless steel sink and good finishings throughout the head. Again, as you walk forward, you notice the inlaid teak. Nice seating all the way around the bow area here. This boat does have the built-in windlass with the polished stainless steel anchor. Seat bottoms that are hinged. Nice armrests and wide bow seating. And then here on the starboard side, you're at the front of the helm. This area opens up for a large compartment here. Stored lots of gear in here. Really taking advantage of all the storage that's on the boat. And as you can see, the blue LED lighting throughout the towing boards on the side. These pockets. Cup holders that are inside the gunnels to give you a little more shade, keep those drinks colder a little longer. Bow wash down. And again, anchor windlass with polished stainless steel anchor. Hard top. Nice large hard top. Covers most of the cockpit here. This boat is not equipped with the sure shade on the back, but could be added. Got the retractable sunroof across the top. Speakers throughout. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Give us a call here at MarineMax in Fort Myers if we could answer any questions for you or get you on board. Thanks. Bye-bye.